Want to play with Mom?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so
Oh dear mommy, I don't do that. No.
what did you say?
I said, no, what did you say? Awake.
Hi. Oh, you have a drink.
I have mustard.
Mustard. It looks like ketchup. It's red.
Yeah, it is coming out.
Be careful. You don't want to get it on your clothes. It could stain.
It's like a juicy.
It's like a juice.
We're having ice cream.
You're having ice cream? Yeah. Well, where's the ice cream?
It's over here, Mommy. Daddy just set it up. What?
Oh.
Yeah, and mustard coming out of there.
I think this is caramel. It's an ice cream topping.
I like ice cream. It's like a ow.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, when you jump, it falls down. But
What is this?
what?
What's this little piece?
I think it comes from my sister's.
Oh, we lost some ice cream.
Yeah, we could put it under there.
You could, yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm hungry. I want some ice cream under here.
Oh, okay.
I gotta eat this for lunch.
You're gonna eat it for lunch?
You know, I got some cola.
Cola?
Cola is so much. Wait, where's the cola?
Oh, it's right here. I found it.
Oh, thank you. I will drink it for nighttime when we start watching a video.
Oh, what video are we going to watch tonight?
Hanka, what are you doing?
Oh, that sounds interesting. Is it a comedy? Are we going to laugh?
Yeah, but we don't have a TV, but it's gonna get pretend it's a TV.
Oh, that's very resourceful of her.
Yeah, and we are gonna eat our lunch, so the boys, I will get some ice cream for them, and they would but they will actually not eat it, so they're gonna lick it.
Well, do you think ice cream is a good idea for kids to eat at lunch?
No, it is!
I feel like it's not a good lunch. What do you think?
I think it's a good idea.
Ugh. Children, I think you should have meat and vegetables and not ice cream.
Well, ice cream is yummy.
It is yummy. It is yummy. But you need to eat other things too.
And Daddy's not gonna eat when you say so.
Daddy's bad, isn't he?
Yeah, and he's stinky.
He's stinky. You need a bath, Daddy. What is he drinking?
Cola.
Cola. Daddy, you need to stop drinking cola and take a bath. They said you're stinky.
Well, this is our new house.
This castle is our new house?
Yeah.
Right here?
And outside there's a sandbox.
Outside there's a sandbox at the castle? I think I liked our old home better. Hmm?
We need some food for the puppy.
Is the puppy in the castle?
No, he's in the car.
In the car?
Yeah, and they park there. And there's also some stairs so they could go to sleep.
The stairs can go to sleep.
Yeah, they could go to sleep.
Oh, you mean like go upstairs? I see.
Yeah, and Mommy and Daddy could. And Mommy and Daddy's better.
Do you want me to help you put the stairs on?
Yeah.
Here we go. There, now the stairs are on and everyone can go upstairs to take a nap. Are we going to take a nap today?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I was very sleepy.
You're very sleepy.
I'm gonna go to her. Mommy, bring up my milk. Bring up my juice and ice cream.
I don't think you're allowed to have ice cream in bed, but I'll bring you a juice. Let's go this way. We'll go up the elevator.
Mommy, stairs.
But there's an elevator.
Papa, you're going downstairs.
Oh, where are you? I brought you your juice.
Mommy just knocked me down the stairs.
Well, I guess I have to go back down the elevator.
Well, I'm up here.
Oh, okay, here's your juice, my little one.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now you take a nice rest.
Okay.
Okay? You need me to sing anything to you?
No, I think that's
Night, baby.
Good night.
Rest well.
Okay.
What's that?
My candy.
Boom, 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 boom. Oh, it's too close. We can't see it. Oh, look, there's candy in there.
He's going off the stairs.
What?
He's a monster.
Who's a monster? Oh, no, don't bother my babies. I will protect you. Away with you, monster. Ah! Ah! At least I protected my babies. I will stand watch right here. And she magically gets another juice.
No, it's milk.
Oh, it's milk. Did I forget the milk? Look at the fountain. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, and there's fish.
Dog. Hey, dog. Hey. Hey. Stop. Hello. What is this dog doing? Bird! Ah! Ah! Attacked! Attacked by a monster. What is the monster doing, Isabel?
Is there any more? No.
Why is your reaction when you see your face to scream? Look at this dog.
Oh. Honey, we ought to go to bed.
You have to go to bed? Okay. But this is the 80s. They wouldn't be allowed to show this on TV.
Yeah, we will watch TV in the morning
Oh,
when
okay.
we wake up.
Yes, okay. That sounds good. You
Yeah,
shouldn't
but-
watch TV right before bed because you need to get ready to sleep. Why is he awake? Shouldn't he be sleeping? Bird,
What?
shouldn't he be sleeping? Why is he walking around? Why doesn't he have a bed?
What? Nah. I'm gonna go to bed. It's early in the morning. I can't go to sleep. Yeah, they're gonna sleep. Maybe like that. I need to sleep. Sleeping? Yeah. Wait.
It's morning in the morning.
Let's wake up.
Let's wake up. Ah! It's so early. Let's go wake the children, honey.
I'll wake up the boy then. You wake up the two girls.
Okay. Good morning, honey.
Good morning.
It's time to get up.
Okay.
Let's get your sister. Good morning, babe. Oh my, we're very energetic this morning, and the boys are up too. Let's make my bed. Oh, it's so lovely.
And make my bed.
Yes, make your bed.
And put my milk and juice in the fridge.
Yes, let's put the drinks in the fridge, and whoever had ice cream.
Yeah, let's put them right there. Yeah. This one's big, the monster.
Yes, why? You caught the monster. He was terrorizing us all evening. Is he your friend now? Oh, maybe not.
Wait a second. This is the real mom.
Oh, it's the babysitter.
No, it's not the mom.
It's the real mom.